Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm sharing with you another liquid silicone squishy kit, and it is by Jdiction. This is their from new release, and I'm going to show you what are into the kit. So now I'm going to open it. So upon opening the kit, I can see an instruction manual. So you have to follow, and all the details are in there, how to mix it and what you can add in it. All the details are here. And in the kit I get two sorts of powder. One is a bit of sandy texture and one is the flux powder. And I get two molds. One is a fish mold and one is this cute paw mold. And then you get mixing cups and some poles, set of gloves, and some of these extra decorations for adding into the product when you're done, and some popsicle sticks. This is the actual silicone squishy. And then you get the paint that you can mix with the silicone. And there is small bags in which you can put your finished squishy piece, and it is very good quality. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to wear the gloves. So here I'm taking out all the products that I need for making the squishies. So here is my scale, and it is 1:1, really easy, 1 part A, 1 part B. So you're going to take the amount you want. So for the first, I'm going to use this snowman also. So this is also from the Jdiction kit of one of their resin kit last year for Christmas. So I'm going to make a squishy snowman also. So I'm going to mix not too much because I'm going to make it in two colors. So this is going to be the first color, and I want this first color to cure, and then I'm going to add the second color. So this takes some time. So you can say around, it took me around, you can easily say 8 to 9 hours for my first layer to cure. And also it depends on the temperature. It is getting very cooler and colder. So that's the reason things are getting a bit slow. So slowly I'm going to mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes, like we mix all the silicones. And now here I'm going to add white color because I'm making a snowman. So I'm adding this white color from this kit. And then I will be taking the red color also. So very slowly I'm going to add the color. I'm going to start from the less as I go. So I did notice that it got a little bit on the milky side, but still it is not that white I want. So I'm going to add some more. So it's looking good now, but I'm going to add a little bit of white mica powder, or it's actually a pearl. So just to give a little bit of pearly shade. So that's the reason I'm adding the mica powder. So after mixing my white silicone, I'm going to add this into the mold. Just making sure that the color is mixed properly. That's what I'm doing here. It's so fun to see the resin companies coming up with new products, and we can create so many things out of silicone itself. So here I'm just pouring the silicone into the snowman. I need a little bit of more silicone, so I'm going to mix the same, and then I'm going to fill this up totally. So this is done, and I will leave this to cure for next day. And now on to the paw. I'm going to, as I explained, that two colors. So this one I'm going to use a red. And I think this one is enough here. We get a lovely bright red color. So I'm going a bit Christmassy, so that's why I'm going with a white and red color theme today. Just making sure again that my pigment is mixed, because sometimes this do affect for the curing. So just make sure, even if you're using a resin, you just mix your pigment thoroughly. And now into the paws, I'm going to pour this red and then into the center. And then I'm going to make this fish cake. Actually, this is a fish cake, but I'm going with the Christmas theme, that as I explained. So there is a little bit of empty spaces into the fish, so I'm going to pour that little bit red in there. Just be careful because they are very small. So again, it's up to you, whatever color scheme you want to go with, you can make them. So this is done here, still have some red, so I thought I'm going to use some molds. So you can use fun molds by yourself also. So I poured the rest of the red into this heart mold, and I thought I'm going to make a squishy heart. And then I mixed, as I told you, that some more white silicone, because I got little less for my snowman. So here I'm adding into the red one, filling it up, just creating a sort of a marbling effect. So this is after you, as I explained, that few hours base layer is cured. I'm going to add the white on the top, so into the paws and then into the fish. And then a little bit on the top of the heart also. And I will leave this to cure. So this is the next day. I'm going to demold all of these and we will see how this turns out. But before doing that, I'm going to show you the two powders that come in the kit. They are actually in both in white color. So one, I see that it is a glitter sort of sand texture, and the second is the flocking powder. You can say it is a furry texture, and this is the sandy texture. So I will see on which one I'm going to use which. I'm going with the fur powder first, bringing out all the stuff that I'm going to add into the jiffy bags. You can say the jiffy bags are the gift bags. So this is really fun for filling up the Christmas gifts. This kit is a lovely Christmas gift if you want to give to your loved ones, your kids. So here we go. So when you're going to demold it, it's a bit sticky, but it is not sticky because this silicone is I think it is very low viscosity, made for making squishies. So make sure you applied a little bit of flux powder onto your hand so that it is very less squishy. And it is out of the mold. It looks so cute. I am putting it into the, you can just say, the fur powder. And when I put the kit into the fur powder, it turned out to be more cute because it is looking like an actual cat paw. Just make sure that you apply it on all sides so that it don't get sticky. And one thing more is that if you don't want to add any sort of flux powder, fur powder, or the sand that I got in this kit, you can apply some mica powder on top of it, so that can also be helpful. Just rub off the extra. So this is how it's looking like. So this is such a fun toy to play with. If you are stressed out, if you like to play with your hands, there are so many reasons where we as a human being do all sort of stuff. So this is really fun to play with. So here I'm applying the powder on the top so that when I'm demolding it, it is not sticking to my gloves. So this is a tip here. And same I have done with the heart. And now I'm going to remove the fish. And here the fish is done. Now all of my smaller ones are done. It's time to demold the snowman, the big man here. So again, I'm going to apply the powder on the top of, on the base actually of the snowman. And very carefully, gently, I'm going to remove this out of the mold. Just make sure the molds that you use are flexible ones. And here we go, the squishy snowman is out of the mold and it is perfectly made. And now I'm going to use the sand on this snowman. Before doing that, I'm going to give it a rosy cheeks. So I'm going to make my snowman a bit cuter. And I'm going to apply a little bit of this blush on my snowman here. So I poured a little bit of that sand onto the paper here, and then I'm just rolling my snowman onto this. So it's going to cover all of the snowman. So my snowman is actually getting a little bit of massage here and a little bit of tapping. And this one, it was really fun to play with. I'm sorry, I'm doing that. So I think the sand has been applied, and now I'm going to put these all in the bags. So here I'm removing the extra fur powder from the heart. So now it's time to assemble things together. So I'm opening the bag, and then I'm going to put the paw first. So I actually took out the paw, and then I am going to add some extra beads because I'm making it into a Christmas theme. So here is the paw, and then I'm going to add the red beads. And then I'm going to add the pearls that comes in the kit. Just spreading it evenly. So this is actually really fun when you add these beads into the paws. By assembling them, you can make different things. As I showed you, you can make a heart also. And if you have cat friends, you can gift them in the color of their kitties. And one thing more, I can tell you that you can add a little bit of fur of your cat into the silicone just for remembrance if you like to do that. So this is also very fun. So making sure that the back is closed so that the beads don't fall out. And in this way, I'm going to make the heart, and then I'm going to make the fish. Just adding a little bit of glitter into the bag. And then I fill up the bag, and now it's time to do the fish. For my fish, I'm going to use that sprinkles. So these are actually fake sprinkles, just to let you know. So this fish has a lovely eye, and I really don't want to get it like that. So I'm using UV resin here by Jdiction. So it has again a lot of colors in it, and it's really handy. So I'm going to place a little drop of black resin onto the eye area. And in this way, I added the eyes to my snowflake, and I gave it a red nose. And then I used some of the UV resin onto the scarf also. And I just cured it under the UV lamp. So these are almost done now, and I will show you the final look, how they all look like. So here we go. This is the final look, and here we got the cute paw. You can see how lovely it looks like. And then we got the heart, squishy heart here. And then we get the fish cake that I added some sprinkles just to create a fun. And then you can see the eye. It is looking good, and I think it has some sort of personality now. And now comes the main, and here is the snowman. So I painted the snowman as I wanted him to be. You can paint in your own way. So this is the star of the show. And for my golden, you can see the golden bell. I just applied a little bit of alcohol, golden brass alcoholing that I use onto the golden bell, and a little bit onto the fur of the hat, the pom-pom area. So this is how it is looking like. I really love how the snowman looked out to be. Perfect for that Christmas theme, and you can play with him. Of course, you don't have to play too hard with him because he is a very soft squishy. You just do a little bit of tapping because he is your buddy now. And a little bit of squeezing, that's it. So I will update you because I use the UV resin onto the eyes and how this will behave. But for now, it is sticking really fine to the silicone. It is not coming off. all in all, I'm really happy with that kit. So I will link everything in my description, and I hope you liked the video today, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.